We're ready to help you navigate through INTIME, the Indiana Taxpayer Information Management Engine. This new self-service e-portal allows customers to file, pay, view, and manage their taxes in one convenient location 24/7. INTIME is only available for Rollout 1 tax types, which include aircraft dealer and excise, C and S corporations, financial institutions, nonprofits, partnerships, and utility receipts. Let's get started by going to the login page at intime.dor.in.gov. Here, you have the ability to make payments toward a bill, estimated payments, or extension payments. You can do this without logging in if you'll be paying with a credit or debit card or making a bank payment. Under the credit card payments panel, you can click on I have a bill or I do not have a bill and follow the prompts. The bank payments panel works the same way. Click one of the options and follow the prompts. If you're a tax preparer, you can register by going to the Preparers panel. Click on the Register as a Tax Preparer link. If you're an existing Indiana taxpayer, click on the link under the Indiana Corporate Taxpayer option and follow the prompts. You'll need to enter your business information and confirm your access using a recent payment or letter ID. If you don't have these items, you can request a letter to be mailed to you to complete the tax preparer registration. If you are not an Indiana tax preparer registered with the Indiana Department of Revenue, click on the link under the New Preparer Registration option and follow the prompts. When logging in, your username may be an email address, while your password must be at least 8 characters long and include one uppercase letter and one special character. For security purposes, two-factor authentication is required when logging into INTIME. Once it is set up, you'll be asked to provide a unique security code to verify your identity each time you access your account that can be received by authentication app, text message, or email. Email is an easy option, so select Add Email. Type in your email and click Save. Your security code will be sent to the email address you entered. Then type your security code and select Confirm. If you don't receive your security code email within 5 minutes, you may want to check your email spam folder. Now that you're logged in, notice the top of the screen shows the client you're currently working with. If you need to switch clients, click the Return to Client link. Select Terre Haute Electricity. Notice the Summary tab. This tab lists tax accounts that you have access to. Account panels show standard actions like make a payment, see all returns, request a return transcript. This URT1 return allows you to file now to file a return. Prepayments panels allow you to view payment period activity and includes credit from prior tax years, extension, and estimated payments. At the Action Center tab, all items that need attention will be listed, such as messages. You can view any new messages that you have. Or letters. You can view any new letters that you have. You can also view payments due and missing returns. For Rollout 1, the two types of returns that can be filed on INTIME include the URT1 and the NP20. This brings us to the Settings tab, which allows you to control account access including mail delivery, mail notifications, and default payment method. And finally, at the All Actions tab, select the Letters panel to view and respond to a letter, notice, or bill. The Messages panel, also under this tab, allows you to send and view messages. Under the Payment Plan panel, you can create and add a payment plan to pay off your total balance due, only if your outstanding balance is at least $500 or you do not have missing returns, be in bankruptcy or collections. As you know, tax practitioners can see and perform the same actions as their clients with power of attorney access. Let's see how that process works in INTIME. To initiate an electronic INTIME Power of Attorney access request, click the Accountant Center link, then the Request POA Access link under the Power of Attorney panel. To get started, you'll need to enter the name and federal employer identification number of the business for which you are requesting Power of Attorney on the Client Information tab, and click Next. Then, from the Access Options tab, you'll select whether or not you want to request access to all of your clients' accounts or some of their accounts, and click Next. From the Approval Method tab, select whether or not your client is registered for INTIME. If your client is registered for INTIME, he or she may approve through INTIME. If not, an access request letter will be mailed to your client for approval. Select Next to move to the last tab. The Summary tab confirms the approval method and type of access you have requested. Click Submit, then OK, and you'll receive a confirmation number. This concludes our INTIME video, which we certainly hope has been helpful for you. If you still have questions, we encourage you to call 317-232-0129 and select option 1. Our INTIME customer service representatives are available Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you for watching.